In this video, we will discuss about question number 5, exercise 10.1. We are studying Heron's formula. So, this exercise having some practice questions based on Heron's formula. So, what about these questions? Sides of a triangle are in the ratio of 12 is to 17 is to 25. We are having triangle is having three sides and it is closed figure. It is the closed figure. Clear? So this is the triangle having three sides, and sides of a triangles given us in the form of ratios. We are having three numbers in the ratio. So this is showing one side, this other, and this one is the third one. Clear? But it is the ratio. It is not exact value of side. So we will assume the sides. So how we will assume? Let the sides of a triangles are, first ratio is the 12. So we will use 12x. It is the ratio. It is having some common number. So we are using as x. So first side is 12x, second one is 17x, and third one is what? 25x. So we are having ratio. We are having sides in the form of ratio. So we will assume sides. We will take any one variable. I am taking x as a variable. So sides will be what? 12x, 17x, and 25x. Clear? So we assumed the all sides, and another one what we are having, and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. Perimeter is given, and perimeter is what? Sum of all sides. We are having three sides A, B, C. Sum of these sides A plus B plus C will be what? Perimeter. Clear? So given perimeter equal to 540 centimeter. Perimeter is what? Sum of all sides. We assumed we are having sides in the form of ratio. So we assumed the sides like 12x, 17x, 25x. Now in the perimeter we will add all sides. So we are adding 12x plus 17x plus 25x will be what? Once we add 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 4. 1 is remaining, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 54x. So sum of the sides is what? 54x. Ratio, so we assumed one variable, and sum will be what? 54x equal to perimeter, 540. Solve this one. Then we are getting the values of x. So x will be what? Easy. 540 divided of 54. How we will solve? One time it is going, one time and 0. So x is what? 10. So what is the value of variable x? Is the 10. Ratio is the simplified form. It is not exact length. Ratio is what? Simplified form. So exact length, how we will find? Once we multiply each side, each ratio from 10, then we are getting exact length of side. So x equal to 10 we are getting. So what will be the sides? So sides of this triangle will be what? Sides will be what? A equal to 12x. So 12 into x is what? 10. So first side we are having what? First side is what? When we multiply we are getting 120 centimeter. 120 centimeter. This is 120 centimeter. It is 12 is the ratio. Clear? So 120 centimeter is the first side. Now B will be what? B equal to 17x. So x is 10 we obtained. So 17 into 10 will be 170 centimeter. This is the B side. Clear? Now third side C is what? 25x. And how we will obtain? Multiply from 10. X is 10. We are putting 25 into 10. Result will be what? 250 centimeter. Clear? Now they are the exact. Observe. We are having three sides A, B, C. Exact value of side is what? 120 centimeter, 170 centimeter, 250 centimeter. Once we find its ratio, then how we will solve? A is to B is to C. A, B, C are three sides. Put these values there. So 120 is to 170 is to 250. Simplify. Only all are divisible by 10. All are divisible by 10. And no one is common, so what we are getting? 12 is to 17 is to 25. It means ratio is this one, exact value is what? 120 centimeter, 170 centimeter, 250 centimeter. Once we simplify these sides in the ratio form, then we are getting this one. Clear? I hope you understand these whole things. Now we want what? Question is given, find its area. Once we are not having exact idea of height, then we are having only one chance. We will apply Heron's formula or Heron's formula. And what is the Heron's formula? By using Heron's formula, we can find the area of a triangle. And it is what? Square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. What about the S is the semi-perimeter. S is what? Semi-perimeter. So how we will find S? Semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter will be what? S, and it is half of this one. A plus B plus C divided of 2. Directly in the questions we are having same perimeter. So its perimeter's half will be what? Semi-perimeter. So directly we can say 540 divided of 2 is what? Once we solve, what we are getting? 2 times it is going, 1 is remaining, 7 times it is going, and 0. Half of 540 is 540 is what? 270. 270, and this is what? Centimeter. This is what? Centimeter. Perimeter is in the centimeter. All sides will be in what? In the centimeter. So this will be what? Perimeter is centimeter, means ratio given, so all sides will be in the centimeter, and semi perimeter will be what? 270 centimeter. Observe again what we are doing. We want the area. We are having ratio of sides. We assumed sides like this one. Then perimeter we are having. So perimeter is what? Sum of all sides equal to this one. Solving, getting x value. Then how we will find the sides? We will multiply. X is 10, so we are putting the 10. Solving, we are getting sides of a triangle. We are having all sides. We are having semi-perimeter. We will put in the formula and we can find the area of a triangle. Observe. S is what? 270. I am putting the values. S is 270. 270 minus A. A is what? 120. Into 270 minus B. B is what? 170. Into last one is what? 270 minus C. C is 250. Clear? All are in the square root. Now we will solve. How we will solve? Observe carefully. 270 will be as it is. What is the remaining? When we subtract, we are getting 0. 7 minus 2, 5. And 2 minus 1, 1. 150. This one will be what? 0, 0, 1. Into this one will be what? 0, 7 minus 5 is 2, 20 only, and all are in the multiplication form. Now, we want its square root. How we will solve? Observe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros we are having. This is what? 27 can be written as what? 3 into 3 into 3? Yes or no? What? Just multiplying. We want to solve this one. 270 into this and this multiplication. 150 into 20. 15 2 ja 30. 30. How many zeros? 1, 2 zeros. Observe carefully. I am multiplying 150 into 20. 15 2 ja 30 and 2 zeros I am putting. Clear? And 2 zeros are there. I am directly putting 2 zeros there. I am multiplying 150 into 100 into 20. What is the result? This one. How many this one? 3 lakhs. So 150 into 100 into 20 will be what? 1 lakhs we are getting. Clear? Now I am separating zeros. This can be written as 27 into 27 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 ja 9. 9 3 ja. What I am doing? I am writing. I can do like this. 27 into 10 is what? 270 into 3 into this one 5 zeros. Clear? Without square root, how we will solve? I am just adjusting these old data. Now this can be written as 3 into 3 into 3. We are having 1 3, and these how we will write? 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros. 5 and 1 6 zeros. Now square root. Solve. This can be split like this. We already studied this idea, so we can do like this, so we can easily to solve these all things. Observe carefully. It is the easy. Without doing long division of square root, we can find the square root of the values. Observe what I am doing. We are having s equal to 270. ABC are what? We obtained. We assumed ratios are given. We assumed the side. We obtained the value of x. Why? Because we are having perimeter, so we can obtain value of x. Putting there and solving, we are getting the exact length of a sides. Now we are having all S, A, B, C. We are putting and solving. When we subtract, we are getting 150. When we subtract, we are getting 100. When we subtract, we are getting 20. Now once we multiply and then find the square root, we can do, but without doing long division, directly we want to find the square root. So I am adjusting. Once we multiply this and this, we are getting this one. Clear? Now 5 zeros plus 1 zero. So I am just writing this. 27 into 10 is 270, and this can be written as like this. And its 27 factors is what? 3 into 3 into 3 prime factors. 27 factors is what? 3 into 3. 3 3 ja 9. 9 3 ja 27. We are getting. We are already having this 3, and we are multiplying with. Clear? It means this and this are perfect square root. Are what? Perfect square numbers we are having. So we can convert this and this. Then we are getting this one. Once we are having two same number in the square root, then its square root is what? That number. Clear? So its square root will be 3, and its square root is what? 3. Now in which 2 times 1000 we are having. So 1 time 1000 will be its square root. Now multiply. 3 3 ja 9. 3 zeros will be there, and unit will be what? Centimeter square. So this is the area of a triangle. Observe, in the questions we want what? Area. We are having sides in the form of the ratio. First we will assume the sides. Perimeter is given in the questions. Perimeter is the sum of all sides. Then we can find the assumed value. And then once we put this value in the sides, then we obtain the actual length of the sides, and we are having all sides and perimeter, and half of perimeter will be semi-perimeter. Then we can find what? Area by using Heron's formula. This is the formula. Just we are multiplying, adjusting, and finding the value of square root. So this is the area of a triangle. So I hope you understand these all things. If you are having some problem, you can revise my previous classes, and you can gain more ideas. Then you can easily to understand these types of the questions. I hope that's are beneficial. That's all are beneficial for your standard, and you are getting something knowledge. That's all about this class. Thank you so much.